You asked how to divide 1689 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 422 remainder 1.